Ya, sekarang kita berada di daerah di Kota Cilegon, di Hotel Permata Krakatau, di mana sejak minggu kemarin telah sedang dilaksanakan satu kegiatan untuk para guru se-Provinsi Banten. Ya, ini kita masuk ke ruangan belajar dan kita lihat ya, di situ boleh. Pak Setia, mungkin bisa dijelasin Pak Setia, kegiatan hari ini yang dilaksanakan di Cilegon ini.
Ya, kegiatan ini sebenarnya merupakan proyek terpadu dari Direktorat Pendidikan Lanjutan Pertama, yaitu uji coba tentang pelaksanaan kurikulum berbasis kompetensi. Dalam pelatihan ini diperkenalkan metode baru, yaitu Contextual Teaching and Learning, yang disingkat menjadi CTL atau dibaca CTL di dalam bahasa Indonesia. Seluruh peserta akan berjumlah 1.250 guru mata pelajaran, terdiri dari 5 mata pelajaran, yaitu mata pelajaran biologi, fisika, matematika, bahasa Indonesia, dan bahasa Inggris. Kita akan mengkhususkan untuk menshoot mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris yang akan kita temui di ruangannya sendiri.
Lalu keuntungannya apa nih yang didapat dari kegiatan ini pasti?
Sepertinya kita akan menuju ke arah kompetensi. Jadi peningkatan kompetensi guru agar nanti siswa yang dididiknya juga akan berkompetensi.
Ya. Dan katanya pembukanya udah dilaksanakan ya kemarin?
Sebenarnya yang sekarang kita shoot adalah angkatan kedua, ketiga bahkan yang sekarang ini. Jadi masih akan berlanjut 2 angkatan ke depan. 2 angkatan terdahulu itu sudah berakhir sekitar minggu yang lalu. Jadi kita sekarang berada pada minggu ketiga.
Oke, kita lihat nanti guru-guru yang saat ini sedang mengikuti kegiatan di Hotel Permata Krakatau Cilegon. Ya, kita masuk ke kelas. Selamat siang, Pak.
Kita temui Bapak. Selamat siang, Pak. Ada sedikit wawancara dari jurusan bahasa Inggris. Ini Bapak pengawas bahasa Inggris.
Ya.
Kemudian ini Bapak pengawas bidang studi biologi.
Biologi ya, dengan Pak siapa, Pak?
Pak Wawan.
Pak Wawan dari mana nih, Pak? Utusan dari
Kabupaten
Lebak ya. Gitu. Nah, ini sedangkan untuk pengawas bahasa Inggris ya, dengan Pak siapa?
Pak Sugeng.
Pak Sugeng
Dari Kabupaten Serang.
Kabupaten Serang. Gimana nih rencana ke depan Pak Sugeng? Untuk
Rencana
kegiatan
ke depan, dan ini ada 5 angkatan Pak ya. Sekarang ini angkatan ketiga, kemudian nanti angkatan keempat dan kelima akan dilaksanakan mulai minggu depan. Terus 1 minggu 1 angkatan, 1 minggu 1 angkatan, hingga akan berakhir di tanggal 16 September.
Kita dengan Pak siapa tadi?
Wawan.
Pak Wawan, gimana Pak Wawan untuk masalah biologi ya? Maksudnya untuk pelajaran biologi ya. Sejauh ini apa sih yang diterapkan untuk yang lebih baik lagi untuk pelajaran di SLTP sewilayah Banten ini?
Ya, sebenarnya metode atau konsep ini merupakan akumulasi dari konsep-konsep lama sih. Terus tampaknya ini yang terbaik gitu untuk sementara ini, dan kalau ini diimplementasikan di sekolah-sekolah, kita berharap juga akan bisa meningkatkan apa yang sebaiknya ditingkatkan. Hal ini adalah peningkatan mutu.
Ini banyak sekali ya
Iya.
keuntungannya, untuk maksudnya lebih baik ya untuk murid-murid nanti gitu.
Ya, ini orientasinya kepada kreativitas siswa gitu.
Iya,
kan.
iya.
Kita harapkan lebih meningkat lagi.
Ya, baik, sekarang kita lihat suasana belajar di dalam ya. Ini apa sih? Enggak. Sebentar. Lihat sekarang.
Beyond concept. But now, because of the need because of the need, and then the result is not so satisfying. The result, you remember that although they are students of university, they are still difficult expressing their idea in English. They cannot speak English. So, how come? What is the problem? Are the students not qualified? I mean the teacher not qualified teaching English? I don't think so. Is the facility, does the facility doesn't support? Maybe. I don't think so. And then, are the students not interested in? Probably one of the answer is probably the strategy of teaching. Probably. And we should be aware that the strategy should change. So by CTL. Now the concept of CTL, of learning based on the CTL, the students should experience. So the first is experiencing. Experiencing. Yeah. Experiencing. Yeah. Get the experience. Not only giving something just look like a spoon feeding, but we let the student to experience first. Experience first. And then what is next? Experience, and then? So there is high level thinking. High level thinking.
High level thinking.
So there is a high level thinking. High level thinking. The students should think. So there is a process. There is a process to think something. Constructing. Why should the student construct? After experiencing. Experiencing and then high level thinking. That is constructing. Constructing here is so the students' mind are blank. But in CTL, actually, in the student's mind is not blank. After giving something, and then they construct. And then thinking, and then construct something. That is. And then followed by, of course, practicing. Practicing here to their, could you please, daily life. Practicing in their daily life. Yeah. In their playing probably because the student of junior high school. So, problem solving related to high level thinking. Problem solving. And then being able to apply their knowledge in their daily life. That is. But remember, in the previous time, teaching English, just imitating from the teachers, without implementing in their daily lives. That is the definition of CTL. That is the answer. Question number 1. Now, I believe that all of you can answer question number 1. So, I don't know about CTL. My answer is only CTL is contextual teaching and learning. Yeah. Good. It's no problem. This is my task. Okay, good. And then what about the result? By using the previous, there is a protest. The protest coming from the society. Guru bahasa Inggris ini sebenarnya apa sih? From you saja. Yes, no saja. Yes or no yang dijawab on. Because only receiving, transferring, practicing, forgetting. Evaluation, just circling, without thinking, something. So this is why there is a special. Of course, by giving a model, let the student observe something. Boys and girls, I have 5 sentences. Could you observe the 5 sentences? For experience. I have picture. Could you observe the picture? So there is a process of thinking. There is process of experiencing. So actually there are many ways to give experience to our. So you fly from one place to another place. So of course need time, but remember it is your first perception. The first perception, the second perception, you will be aware. Oh, like this. This is another definition. Another definition. Membantu the teacher to relate his teaching material
Oke, kita sekarang ke ruang biologi.
Mereka sedang diskusi kelompok peragaan pertanian. Ya.
Ini pertama.
Ya.
Dari tadi purba-purba dulu ya. Masuk TP, Pak. TP 7. Bisa cerah, Pak. Tanyain diri saya. Kok saya berani uang? Makanya kan barunya pada
cuci langsung. Cuman makan
Saya masukin Pak, biar kelihatan di sana.
Perlu nanti kita belajar antropologi.
Keraset.
saya belum.
Karena tadinya ada marga satwa.
Mungkin dari situ ya awalnya.
Satwanya dibuang, marganya diturunkan. Pak, saya mau foto ya Pak ya?
Ada tulisan kecil anak. Dia nggak bisa
Silakan dari kelompok. Silakan dari kelompok tentukan satu perwakilan untuk mempresentasikan. Go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Baiklah, saya membacakan hal penelitian dari kelompok 6 yang mewakili dari kelompok 6.
Bu, masuk TV, Bu.
Yaitu yang pertama, lokasinya di depan kosan. Kemudian objek yang diamati yaitu pohon jarak.
Jadi kelihatan aja itu.
Jangan dong, malu.
Jadi ketinggalin.
Coba.
Tadi dia.
Ayah.
Batang. Batang.
Come on. Logically, if we take more away, the thing will getting smaller and smaller. Okay, but now what gets bigger when you take more away? Bunny. That's still smiling. Yes, that's correct. Bunny again. 100 for you. A hole. If you take away more and more, it's getting bigger and bigger. Yes. 200 for you. Good guess. What runs but never walks? Leo. Time. Time is running out. Never walk out like that. Is there any time walking out? Wind? The wind is running. The wind is walking. That's very possible answer for that reader. What about this one? Yes? Train? Train is run, but never walk. What about my answer? Is water. 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 Do you find in English the water wall? I never heard of it. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. And I would like to give this microphone to Pastia. Pastia, thank you.
Thank you. Here is another filler or energizer, but this would be managing the time, because I have to remind all of us here. Actually, we have 5 sessions. 5 sessions. Starting from the first session is 8 to 10. 8 to 10:15. Then the second session is from 10:30 to 1200 hours. Then the third session is 13:30 to 1500 hours. The fourth session is 15:30 to 1700 hours. Then the evening session is for self-access work, self-access activity. It's from 19:30 to 2100 hours. The last session place because it's not possible to do the activity in the room. It's too crowded. Here we have a table, we have VCD, we have television, we have audio. Then you may practice teaching here in the evening if you want to. Yeah. Last time is only a little time, so please manage the time effectively. We only have a very short time. This afternoon, we lost how many? We lose half an hour time. That's not good for us because we have only a little time. We have to discuss a lot of things. Questioning or constructivism? Okay, time is your part.
Good afternoon, my fellow English teacher. How are you this afternoon? Do you enjoy staying in this beautiful hotel? Yes. Thank you. I hope you slept well last night and you dreamt your beloved family. Do you miss your family? Of course, yes. Your husband, your wife, and your children. They are waiting for you. And, okay, my fellow English teachers, in the first season, we have, or you have discussed the basic principle of CTL. Do you still remember? Yes? Okay. Learning community. Okay, authentic assessment, reflection, and modeling. Yeah. The first one is inquiry, and the second one is questioning. The third is constructivism. Number 4 is learning community. Number 5, authentic assessment. Number 6, reflection. And the last one is modeling. That's the basic principle of CTL. And because I know from yes, for you, yes, but you must get it first. What is inside? Yeah. What is inside? Participants come forward to guess it. Yeah. To guess. Okay. Maybe 2 from Ibu, yes, and 2 Bapak. Okay. Billy? Yes. Down here. Bapak. Pak Bama. Yes. Ibu. Come forward. Yes. Ibu. Wani. Okay. Wani. Okay, you can observe this thing, these objects. Can you see it well? The participant who sit at the back, can you see it? Yes. But we don't know what is inside. You can see it well. Yes. Good. Bapak? Yes. Okay. Can you guess it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Yeah. What do you? Towel, maybe. Okay. Maybe to be clear, will you smell it? Is there smell? Will you smell?
Yes.
Yes. What smell? Nice smell. Yes. What only smell? Don't touch. Yes. Is there any smell? Bad smell. Bad smell. Okay. Can you guess it? Tissue. Okay. To make sure what is inside, maybe you will touch. Yes. Okay. Will you touch? Okay. Good. Can you guess it? Okay. Before you guess it, you can ask me by using yes or no question. Okay. Start from you. Like is it like that?
Is it perfume?
No.
Is it nut?
No.
Is it a kind of food?
Maybe.
Is it a type of thing?
Yes. No.
Chocolate. Is it snack?
Yeah.
Is it a kind of candy?
Maybe.
Is it soft?
Soft. Oh, you touch. Have you touched? Touch it. You touch again. Hey. Not too hard. Not too soft.
I believe that it is food. It's a food.
Food. What kind of food?
It's sweet.
Maybe chocolate.
Maybe
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Yes.
Yes.
I touch again.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Kacang bawang.
It's water.
It's water. It's make sure by touching.
Should I open it?
This one here. What is it?
Biscuit.
Biscuit. Ibu?
Sukro.
Sukro.
Dalam size, I don't know its name. Peanut.
Peanut.
Okay, let's open it. Ibu, will you open it? What is inside? Okay.
Blah 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 blah.
Lumayan.
What is it? Look at here.
Okay. What is inside?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's Got candy?
It is?
It's a kind of candy.
It is candy. Candy. Is it candy?
Kind of candy.
Kind of candy. Okay, this is for you. Please for you.
Thank you.
Good, Cassie. Okay. Thank you. bagi hadiah, Bu. I have one again. 4 participants again, please come forward to guess what is inside here. Apa? Come forward.
No.
Yes. What is it? Yeah. Kind of fruit. Yes. It is. Orange. You will touch. Will you touch? Okay, will you touch? Will you touch? What is it? It is? Okay, let's open.
Lembek sih. Ada keras-keras.
Roti, bread.
Apple. Okay, good guessing.
Orange. This is orange. Pink orange. Pink orange.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, after we have done this activity, this is the general statement. So the other group is find the details again. Not yet. Just 5 sentences. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Sister is in itu aja. Oh itu nanti setelah pas saya tahu. Ya nggak apa-apa.
Here's once more. Don't make or don't write down the sentence that leads the other group easily to guess. Okay?
Sini double N, funny. Double N.
Double N sih.
Nice.
2 minutes more. Manage your time.
Sis, woman.
Ada siap.
America.
Yes, thanks for your time. From Crocodile Group, we have 5 sentences. First, he is a famous singer in the world. Yes. Second, he comes from America. He comes from artist family. He comes from artist family. Sorry. His first skin is black and has long hair. And in the stage and has a lot of.
Well, it's very easy to guess. Who is he? It's too easy to guess. The leader of group. Yes. Wonderful woman. Yes, Ibu. Come on. Ibu Pauli.
Stand in front.
I am from the fourth group. We have my statement about the description of someone. The verse is charming actor and still single. He plays Sinetron well. He is Indo-Germany people. He is also a sportsman. He is very interested in a beautiful Malaysian actress. Malaysian actress.
Steffi Grab. He's very good to guess. Question first. No question is
Any other Indo-Germany people? Yes, he is Indo-Germany people.
I think he is Anibo.
Malaysia.
I told you that you should ask a question first before you guess.
Tadi dia nanyain yang tambahan baru.
Thanks for this time. We are from Sunflower Group and we have 5 statements and we hope you can guess my picture. Where is this one? Yeah, I have a picture in it. The statements are: he is a man, his hair is long. His hair is long. He has long hair. Yes. He is very funny. He avoids your serum. He can make us laugh.
Yes, of course.
Is he from?
Okay, question please.
Is he from Indonesia?
Before you guess, just question, okay?
Is it from Betawi? No.
Group. Group.
Actress, and then she is also a singer. She has married. She has one son, and she is about 30 years old.
Is she from Bandung?
Okay, question please.
Is she from Bandung?
She is actor.
One question.
Desi Ratnasari. Bapak yang vote, you have lawan dulu. You guess this patiently. I'm going to the first one. Okay, Desi Ratnasari.
I gave some books. First, she is married. Married. Number two, she doesn't have a kid. Number three, she is not beautiful. You change your mind. She is a singer. And the last one, she doesn't only sing one kind of music.
Japanese song?
Some more Japanese singer.
The song she sing is Japanese song from Japanese.
He sing maybe he sing the Japanese song,
Yes,
but no always.
Yes,
Maybe not. Okay. Yeah. Not exactly right. You are all of you. The most beautiful lady I've ever seen in my life. Not even.
Thank you very much. Can you stick the paper on the wall? Thank you very much, Bapak. Yes, Bapak, please. Thank you.
We'll try to explain some description. One, she is beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry. She is a woman. She is a woman. Some description is she is beautiful. Two, she is very popular. Popular, yes. Three, she is a singer. Four, she is married with 2 children. And 5, she comes from East Java. Please, group 1. Any question? One question, please. Group 1. Second group. Maybe question.
Yes, no question. But I want to the answer, please.
To the person.
Does he have a long finger?
Yes. Maybe yes, I did now please, who is she? Maybe you all know that is Krisdayanti. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Because of the limitation of time, we should manage the time well. And we still have, it's about 1 hour, yes, before we end up our session today. So now I'm going to share idea and have brainstorming about questioning. Okay, questioning. As you know that questioning is one of 7 basic principles. Questioning in every day. Yes, in real class, of course, as an English teacher, we always ask the student a question. But here, we'd like to discuss with you, because in CTL, the teacher does not dominate the questioning. What about the student? The student. How to motivate the student to ask questions? Do you have any experience how to motivate the student to ask some questions to the teacher, or maybe to his friends as well?